Plastics save lives, especially in medical devices. Many people speak negatively about plastics, but the reality is very different. Plastics have contributed enormously to improving human life. In fact, without plastics, survival in modern society would be extremely difficult. Yes, that is absolutely true. One of the biggest examples is the medical devices industry. Today, a vast number of critical medical components are made from plastics. This includes syringes, intravenous IV sets, catheters, blood collection tubes, diagnostic components, drug delivery systems, medical tubing, implants, disposable surgical products. Please make healthcare safer. Ooh, plastics make healthcare safer, more hygienic, cost effective, and accessible. However, there is a major challenge. India still depends heavily on imports for many advanced medical devices, implants, critical components, and even medical grade plastic raw materials. This creates a massive opportunity for Indian manufacturing. With India's large population and growing healthcare demand, the need for high quality medical devices will continue to rise. A very encouraging step in this direction is the recent initiative by the government of India to strengthen domestic medical device manufacturing. This scheme aims to reduce imports, strengthen supply chains, and promote innovations. So, what are the key highlights in this? Indian manufacturers can focus on producing critical components, raw materials, and high-value medical devices. Opportunities exist in imaging equipment, implants, diagnostics, consumables, medtech startups. Financial supports include up to rupees 10 crore as one-time capital subsidy for manufacturing, up to 5 crore rupees for clinical studies. Beneficiaries include companies involved in manufacturing of imaging equipment, implants, diagnostic devices, consumables, needles, medical tubing, drug delivery systems for entrepreneurs, plastic processors, mold makers, and investors. This sector offers enormous growth potential. Medical grade plastics manufacturing could become one of India's next major industrial growth areas. If you are planning to enter the plastic industry or explore opportunities in manufacturing of medical grade plastic components, feel free to connect. The future of plastic is not just packaging or consumer products. The future of plastics is healthcare, innovation, and saving lives. Namaskar, I am Amit, and you are watching at Plastic Industry YouTube channel. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and press that bell icon for new video update. Thank you. Information source: The Economic Times Kolkata edition, shared for awareness and only educational purpose. Thank you.